participated in an amazing workout. Can you explain what this is?
So it's a dance-based workout from back in the old ballerina days, and it's kind of morphed into this amazing workout. And so then we did a lot of cardio, which our new class is half and half. So you go in the middle of the room, you kind of get your sweat on, get your heart rate up, and then you go to the bar and do chisel work, sculpting work, if you will.
Exhale Spa knows how to treat the locals of Hollywood.
We like to say positioning, alignment, and then movement. So we're sticklers for being in the right position and making sure everyone's on the same page before we move. It's just kind of a great way to work out. It's very important to us to know everyone on a one-on-one basis. We try and take time before class and introduce ourselves.
I'm the chocolatier at Sweet. We worked with the spa to come up with these 3 different flavors. Their slogan is Restore, Detox, Revive. The #1 criteria was taste. I wanted to make sure that they tasted really, really good. Sea salt has a lot of minerals, so I thought after a workout, you've sweated a lot, you need to put the minerals back in. I thought, well, you know, salt can do that. Dark chocolate is high in antioxidants, so the darker the chocolate, the better. It's pretty cool.